Unlocking the meaning of "I had the luck to," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we'll explore the phrase, "I had the luck to." This phrase can be a bit tricky for learners, but don't worry, we're here to break it down together. Let's dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and find out how this phrase can enrich your language skills. "I had the luck to" is an interesting expression in English. It's used to talk about fortunate experiences or opportunities that someone has had. Essentially, it means that something good happened to the speaker by chance or luck, rather than through their own actions. It's a modest way of acknowledging good fortune. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. I had the luck to meet my favorite author at a book signing. This means the speaker unexpectedly got the opportunity to meet their favorite author. 2. I had the luck to find a rare coin in my backyard. Here, the speaker is expressing that they fortuitously found something valuable. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe lucky events in various contexts. There are other ways to express the same idea. For instance, "I was lucky enough to." This is a more common variant and conveys the same meaning. "Fortune smiled on me when I." This is a more poetic way to express the same sentiment. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "I had the luck to." Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of different expressions. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when you talk about your own lucky experiences. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.